Welcome viewer. This video explains the concept of hypothesis and its types. The hypothesis is an unproven statement or proposition about a factor or phenomenon that is of interest to a researcher. It is a proposition that is empirically testable. It guides the direction of the study and identifies relevant facts and those that are not. It suggests which form of research design is likely to be most appropriate, and provides a framework for organizing the conclusions that result. There are two types of hypotheses, null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis states that the null condition exists, that is, there is nothing new happening, the old theory is still true, the old standard is correct, and the system is in control. The alternative hypothesis, on the other hand, states that the new theory is true, there are new standards, the system is out of control, and or something is happening. Let's take a look at examples. Suppose flour packaged by a manufacturer is sold by weight, and a particular size of the package is supposed to average 40 ounces. Suppose the manufacturer wants to test to determine whether their packaging process is out of control. In this case, the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis can be written as HO, mu equals to 40 ounces and HA, mu is not equal to 40 ounces. Let's take another example. Suppose a company has held an 18% share of the market. However, because of an increased marketing effort, company officials believe the company's market share is now greater than 18%. In this case, the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis can be written as HO, P is equals to 18% and HA, P is greater than 18%. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell.